Imagine a world where GPS technology, which we rely on for everything from navigating our daily commutes to managing critical infrastructure, is under threat. This is the stark reality we face today, with modern threats like jamming and spoofing posing a significant risk to our global positioning systems. But here's where it gets interesting. The United Launch Alliance, ULA, is set to launch a revolutionary navigation satellite, known as the Navigation Technology Satellite 3, NTS-3, aboard its Vulcan rocket on August 10th. This historic mission marks the first U.S. national security launch on the Vulcan vehicle and the first experimental Department of Defense navigation satellite in nearly 50 years. The NTS-3 is designed to enhance GPS resilience against these modern threats, improving the reliability of critical infrastructure dependent on GPS technology through software-based adaptability. This is a game changer, and it's about to take the world of space technology by storm. But before we dive into the details of this groundbreaking mission, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. The U.S. Space Force is gearing up for a busy week of launches, with the USSF-106 mission being just one of several commercial and international launches scheduled to take place between August 4th and August 10th. And this is the part most people miss. The significance of the NTS-3 mission goes far beyond just its technological advancements. It represents a major milestone in the development of American GPS technology. Building upon the legacy of the NTS-1 and NTS-2 satellites launched in the 1970s, the mission is managed by the Air Force Research Laboratory, and its primary goal is to protect GPS technology from 21st century threats. If disrupted, the consequences could be catastrophic, with planes being misrouted, power grids falling out of sync, and financial transactions failing. The NTS-3 satellite is designed to adapt to these threats quickly, using software updates instead of requiring new hardware. This is a big step forward for American GPS technology, and it's an exciting time for the space industry. But here's the controversy. Some experts argue that the development of new navigation satellites like the NTS-3 is a necessary response to the growing threat of GPS disruption, while others claim that it's a waste of resources and that alternative technologies should be explored. What do you think? Should we be investing in new navigation satellites like the NTS-3, or are there better ways to address the threat of GPS disruption? Let us know in the comments. And if you're wondering what else is launching this week, you're in luck. We've got a packed schedule with launches from SpaceX, Blue Origin, ISRO, and Chinese launch providers, among others. The week began with a pair of early Monday morning launches, including a SpaceX Falcon 9 launching the Starlink Group 10 to 30 batch from Cape Canaveral's SLC-40, followed by China's Long March 12 carrying the Satnet LEO Group 07 from Wenchang. On Monday night, Rocket Lab's Electron rocket is set to launch the Harvest Goddess Thrives mission from its launch site on the Mahia Peninsula in New Zealand. And on Thursday, a SpaceX Falcon 9 will launch the Project Kuiper KF-02 mission for Amazon from SLC-40 at Cape Canaveral. With so much happening in the world of space technology, it's an exciting time to be alive. But as we look to the future, we have to ask, what's next for GPS technology, and how will we address the growing threat of disruption? The launch of the NTS-3 satellite is just the beginning, and we can't wait to see what the future holds.